Hi everyone, welcome to Art at Home. We're going to try another quick lesson and we're going to have fun with some lines. We're going to make intersecting lines. How do I make intersecting lines and what kind of art can I make with them? Well, let's look. First of all, this is a point, a dot. If you make a point and you put another one right next to it, you've actually begun to make a line. But of course, we don't have to make our lines by making individual points. We can, and I'm going to draw a line under this. We can just draw a line with our marker or our pencil. So you can get some paper, any kind of paper. It can be copy paper, it can be lined paper, it can be whatever paper you have around. It can be big, it can be small. It really depends on what you have around the house. You can use a pencil or a marker, crayons, whatever you have. So let's make some lines. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make my line, just start moving around the page. I'm going to make it zigzag and it can curve and it can swirl and it can go straight, it can turn. Eventually it's going to hit another line, it's going to cross over, and that is an intersection. So how do I intersect? By one line crossing over another. Now I'm going to come over here and keep making lines. I'm going to intersect again, intersect again, intersect again, intersect again right now, and I'm going to stop right here on this line. Now I have an interesting design. What can I do with it? I can now color the new shapes I've made, because everywhere that I intersected, I made a shape. So I can color this shape orange. I have to kind of see what I'm doing here because I'm working a little bit backwards. Color this shape orange. I can color this shape orange. I'm gonna color this big shape here. I could be much neater than this. I'm going kind of quick for you guys, just like I do in the classroom. But you're going to take your time a little bit more and make it nice and neat. You could also put more than one color in a shape. What you don't want to do is put the same color next to itself. Don't cross over a line, because if I put this same color down here, then we won't see these shapes very well. So down here, I'm going to use another color until I've colored all the different shapes in. And what I'm doing is I'm making some very interesting art. This is a very abstract design, which means that it's a fun design. It doesn't represent anything. It could, but this particular abstract design is just a design that I made up and that you will make up. Every design will be different. Got a couple more shapes here. Try to go quickly. And one more here. And now I can have fun making more designs on top. So on this orange shape, I'm going to make some little shapes, some patterns, some little circles. Whatever you want. You can use letters. You can use rows of designs. On this shape here, I'm going to make some wavy lines. all this design will go into the same shape that's all this particular color. I'm going to go all the way up and fill that with more lines. You can make lines like this, and you can intersect them. So your design can keep going. I can fill this shape and this shape and this shape with other colors and other intersections. So you have just created a beautiful abstract design of your own. You can make lots of these. Each one will be different. Play around with color, see what you can do. Remember, a line starts with a point. When a point keeps going, it becomes a line. When you draw the line and it keeps going and it crosses over another line, then you create a shape. Where it crosses over, that's your intersection. And where it crosses over again and closes a shape, you've got a new shape. Abstract shapes. Lots of fun. So have fun, try this, and see what you come up with. Maybe you can save them and show them to me. Have fun.